Hey, real quick, inside of LeadCreator, we're going to cover the two new updates that just happened. First things first is the Analytics tab. Now, inside of Analytics, you have the ability to select your individual lead magnet. You'll be able to look at the intervals last week, last month, last 3 months, last 12 months, or you can go for custom, which then gives you a date range that you set right here. Understand and note that this came out yesterday, October 7th, 2024. I'm making this update today, October 8th, 2024. So it is a little limited in scope when you're looking at all your lead magnets. But essentially what you're doing is you're going to be able to see the total views, the total leads, the total conversions, the unique views, the unique leads, and the unique conversions. This is important because a lot of times when you're looking at your statistics inside of your lead magnets, you're looking at the number of views and you're saying, well, that's great, but I know for a fact that I viewed it a few times, and I think probably a few other people viewed it a few times, or people are coming back to read it. That's where you get here and you're understanding unique views versus total views. It's just a good way, or it's a good start inside of advanced analytics to really start to understand what's happening inside of your lead magnets when you're looking at these statistics of visits versus leads versus conversion rates. And they're doing some more stuff behind the scenes, and this is interesting to sort of see what it takes for them and for us as users to give feedback and say, look, when I share this, I can share it on social media and I see instantly 6 or 7 clicks. Well, those are bot clicks, or those are clicks coming from the social media site where you post a link and then they have lots of spiders and bots that are clicking and testing and just things that are scraping stuff on the internet, trying to figure out all that information and seeing how it impacts your conversion rate. With now having a menu like this or a screen like this where we can start deep diving into these analytics to give us more detail about what's actually going on. The next one is the Scarcity Maker, and this is a function inside of the lead magnet itself. So it's called the Scarcity Maker, and we'll go ahead and put this under test. Under the test category, we'll go ahead and you use a blank lead magnet. We'll go ahead and create a new lead magnet. That'll load up a new lead magnet, and we'll just call this test Scarcity Maker. And I didn't spell scarcity correctly, so we'll go ahead and we'll fix that. Of course, you can always change the font size here, or we could just make this a header 1, and you can do all the cool stuff that that you can do, like bold and center and all that. You could even change the color if you wanted to. Here, we'd make that a nice red. We can come back up here, and then of course we can capitalize that. Then I can get this spelled correctly. And now we have Test Scarcity Maker, and you can see the option down here is just called Scarcity Maker. So you still need to go through all of the current settings to make sure you're utilizing everything that you need or want inside of your lead magnet. But Scarcity Maker, once you make it active, it limits the number of people who can access one lead magnet. So it's the number of leads that are available that you'll be able to collect, or the number of people that will be able to see the information behind this capture form. And you can see here, it says limited edition, only 20 downloads left. Don't miss out. So what you can do is you can turn that to active. For example, in this demo, we'll set it to 2. Then you could set here a redirect. So you can redirect it to your own page. And of course, that page you could and should create right here inside of LeadCreator. Create another page. So when the maximum downloads or allowed views and visitors has hit, meaning that it is now closed, then redirect them to another page. Say, thanks for trying. Give them another opt-in, give them another free gift, give them another something to check out because they've missed out on the thing that you were trying to give them here, a bonus, a coupon code, something, an instant download, a freebie, but the max number of people have gotten it because now I click save. Or you can see here it's complaining the redirect field is required. We'll go ahead and we'll go back to the preview page, or the standard. You can preview it here. It's just going to say, oops, max download reached, and we'll see that in a second. We'll go ahead and save that. Scarcity Maker updates successfully. We'll go back to the content editor. Here, we would, of course, add our thing that is scarce and make sure it's something real, and make sure that you're using the Scarcity Maker for something that actually deserves scarcity, and be honest, straightforward, and upfront about it, and transparent, the fact that it's scarce, because you are actually only going to give this away, in this case 2 times. And we'll go ahead and we'll publish that. Then we'll go ahead and click view. Then here you can see the page. And then of course the scarcity kicks in, or the blur effect, or the opt-in kicks in here. So you can use the different types of opt-in effects. And in this case, now you have the email capture form. And here it says limited edition, only 2 downloads left. Do not miss out. Of course, someone enters their name and their email address. I want to keep reading. And then they get access to the thing that you've made scarce, the thing that you've only limited to the 2 people that are going to be able to get it. You go back into LeadCreator, you go back to your lead magnets. Here's our Scarcity Maker lead magnet right here. We have 1 visit, 1 lead. If we go ahead and we copy that link, then I'll open up an incognito tab and I'll open it up as if a new person was landing on this page. Then it kicks in and you can see here, limited edition, only 1 download left. I'll go ahead and put that information in right there. And then you're going to see that I get that lead magnet. So then what I'll do is I'll bring in a brand new incognito tab. So close that incognito tab, open up a new one. So it's as if someone was going to visit this. And then you can see the default, max download amount reached, meaning that the Scarcity Maker kicked in and the 2 downloads that were available have already been taken. So this is the page they get. Of course, again, you'd want to build your own page inside of LeadCreator, and you would want to say, oh, sorry about that, you missed out. Check this out, enter your email address here for a different piece of information or a different bonus, or just let them know, maybe a video, hey, sorry you missed out. Now you know that it's real. Now you know the way that I do things. If I say I have a bonus, or if I say that this is only going to be available for 10 people, make sure that you get here as soon as you see the message. Check back for, or go check your email for the next update or the next bonus or the next free thing that you're giving away or the next piece of information that is super valuable so you can get on the waiting list. Make sure that you're utilizing the power of this max download amount reached. And then that way you're getting the most out of LeadCreator and the new tool, the new update called Scarcity Maker here inside of LeadCreator. Link in the description. Check out LeadCreator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.